So we're bleeding the lines here for the brakes, correct?
Yeah, the caliper. This one's leaking, eh?
Okay.
So I got another fitting.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on and see what we can get it stopped.
Okay. So Dad's getting himself into place here, and wants to change out this fitting. Here's the new fitting right here. How much is it leaking that you would have to change out that fitting?
It can't leak at all.
Okay.
Or it gets air. And then the pedal won't work properly.
Okay.
Looks like the same damn fitting as I got.
So it is December 10th, and when you guys watch this, I think it's probably going to be about December 20th or so. I'd like to again thank all the recent influx of subscribers. Dad now has 779 subscribers, so thank you all of them that have subscribed so far. Dad also has over 250 Bombardier videos on this channel. So if you're looking for something or a subject matter, just search our videos and you can take a look. And we're hoping with the next customer we can do more how-to step-by-step videos, since we're putting it all together from scratch. And Dad's been busy all morning, and this is mid-afternoon. Wants to get this done so we can bleed the brake lines. And these little tasks at the end, there's no easy way of doing it, and it all has to get done.
Really tight it.
Okay.
Now give it another one. Let the pedal out. Give it another one. It should build up. Hold it right there now.
Holding.
Hey, up, down, up, down, pump it again. Go ahead, keep pumping. Hold it now. Just leave everything. Gonna adjust here. Try it again. Okay, hold it. I see what the trouble is. Let it up. I'm gonna have to weld these in. Lots of brake. And can still turn the shaft, so that's good.
So Dad's just tightening up a bunch of the bolts here, making sure there's no leaks.
Okay.
So Dad's got that placed in there now. He's done some wrapping up of the wires, and I'm just sweeping up the shop and putting away some tools, and he'll continue on tomorrow. Tell me what you think about bombardiering. Eh? You and your cat are gonna play.
Picture too.
Okay, you want to be in the picture too, eh? What if I just want to pay attention to Charlie?
Look at Charlie.
Look how
Look at Charlie.
how peaceful he is.
Charlie? Look at him.
So chillaxed.